Welcome back to Shelly's Thoughts. This is Shelly with again a new thought, a new concept. So, how did you perceive this? How did you got to know that I am Shelly and this is a video going on? It's just because of your perception, which have been influenced with your experiences and the connection you formed. So, if I am telling you this is a green pen, how can I say this is a green pen? And why it is a pen only? Because if I talk about the color, it's green, then it does have a cap. Then we can say it have a green ink. So here I made a connection and I just said you that this is a green pen. Again, this is a theory which was given by Edward Thorndike, connectionism. And everything which we perceive is related to connectionism. It's related to what kind of connections we have made. And now, why I am talking about such things? Why am I talking about perceptions? Why I am talking about the connections? In general life, we do create connections in our mind and we just perceive it in a second, less than a second, in fractions of second, about anything which is going around us, whether it be positive, negative, any conflict or any other thing. It is just all about the connection we make towards it. Recently I was just talking to a group of people wherein I just said something which I didn't realize. It's the perception through which I just told that very thing was different, and the things were taken were different. Every person have a different thought. मैंने ऐसा कुछ बोल दिया जो सबको समझ नहीं आया एकदम से. इवन मुझे नहीं समझ आया क्योंकि मैंने वो अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से बोला. And then suddenly I realized, oh, what I said. And अब ये पूरा process किससे हुआ? Of course, connection से. I was not telling directly what it was. I was just giving example. हम जैसे बोलते हैं ना मुहावरों में, उसी टाइप से मैं बोल रही थी. और फिर वो फिट कहीं और पे भी बैठ रहा था. People perceived in that very perspective, and I was saying in a different form. तो यही होता है कि हम कभी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स देख रहे हैं, हम कभी कुछ चीज़ें चलती हुई देख रहे हैं. लाइक इफ ऐसा हो रहा है कि यार दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं एंड यू जस्ट हैड एन आर्ग्यूमेंट विद दैट वेरी थर्ड पर्सन, तो तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा कि यार मे बी दे माइट बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट पर्सन ओनली. बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. ऐसा भी हो सकता है जैसा आप सोच रहे हो, वैसा भी हो सकता है और वैसा नहीं भी हो सकता. एंड अब वो ऐसा क्यों सोच रहा है? क्योंकि उसने तो यही कनेक्शन फॉर्म किए हैं ना कि अभी मेरा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हुआ था और ये चीज़ें हुई थी, तो शायद मैं ही. एट द एंड वी आर क्रिएटिंग कनेक्शन, अ लूप, एंड वी आर जस्ट representing our thoughts in that very particular way. So I just want to say that there are a lot of things हम आम लाइफ में भी बहुत रोज कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें देखते रहते हैं जहाँ पे हम कभी रॉन्ग परसीव कर लेते हैं. परसेप्शन हमारा कभी रॉन्ग नहीं होता है, बट द सिनेरियो गोइंग ऑन might not be representing what you are thinking about. So it does happen in that way place. Why I just related it to the thing called connectionism. We were doing this theory in our class, and I, however, connected again connectionism. Everything is very much connected. Now, if this video is going towards the population which do like psychology, may understand this thing, that there are things, right, which are coming from our past experiences, are things stored in our long-term memory, and the things which we are connecting through. Everything, whichever thing is going. Abhi, I just wanted to make a video on friendship, the bond we do have. वहाँ पे कभी कभी गैप्स आ जाते हैं एंड वो गैप्स क्यों आते हैं आई गॉट दैट कभी कभी चीज़ें क्लियर नहीं हो पाती है कि भाई दीज आर द थिंग्स, दीज आर द बाउंड्रीज, और सम पीपल सरपासेस देम। बहुत बहुत कॉमनली हो जाता है कि हम ना गलत तरीके से इंटरप्रेट कर लिए जाते हैं। इट्स नॉट फॉल्ट ऑफ दैट पर्सन who did that, or it's not about that person who is going through. अब ये चीज़ें कहाँ आती है? क्योंकि हमने ये चीज़ें हुई है, like there were things which happened, ऐसा हुआ, ऐसा हुआ, ऐसा हुआ, ऐसा हुआ। अब हमने कनेक्ट किन चीज़ों को किए जो हमें करनी थी। हमने A पॉइंट ले लिया, हमने C पॉइंट ले लिया, हमने D पॉइंट ले लिया, हमने B को तो देखा ही नहीं क्योंकि we were not very much interested in that thing. But B पॉइंट तो था ना, what about that thing? अब हमने तो ये कनेक्ट करके हमने एक अलग परसेप्शन बनाया। If एक आधा भी फैक्टर छूटता है तो of course things are perceived in a different way, and there we end up having some confusions. क्योंकि हमारा परसेप्शन ये था और सामने वाले का परसेप्शन ये था, एंड व्हेन दीज टू थिंग्स केम टुगेदर वी एंडेड हैविंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स। रिलेशनशिप हो या कोई भी चीज़ हो, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत बहुत नॉर्मल। नाउ व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? सिट एंड टॉक। द थिंग विच आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम my own past experiences, just sit and talk, just clear out the things, just clear out the factors which led that thing. Sometimes you don't have that thing in yourself, you are not a kind of personality जहाँ पे तुम चीज़ें ऐसे ना express कर सको। Just write them out, just make sure you are making that person in confidence and bringing your things in that context, because and sometimes you don't need to actually talk about things if they have gone from your hands. कभी ये होता है कि कुछ चीज़ें आपके हाथ में रहती ही नहीं है, बचती ही नहीं है। So yeah, I just wanted to convey this, and everything is all about our brain, our mind, and some things are very unacceptable because of our own past experiences, and that's how life works. Thank you for watching. I hope I was able to convey you guys a lot of things which I felt, which came in my mind, which were like going around and around. And yeah, keep watching and keep motivating me.